Here I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to enter here the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. So then let's use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, keep holding those two keys and release them as soon as HP logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And here you should use the Android system recovery. You can also read here a couple of information about your device, and you can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can apply update from external storage, you can apply update from ADB, you can wipe data factory reset so you can accomplish the hard reset operation, or wipe cache partition. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose reboot system now, and let's press power key to confirm it. Let me show you. Then the device is booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.